In this tutorial, we'll show you how to view insights from lists. Insights is a great way to better understand how each recipe in your meal plan is contributing to your grocery list. It is also a great way to identify ingredients that are often used within your list, giving you the tools to make your meal plans affordable and customized to your clients' needs. To view list insights, select Lists. Here you will see your items listed in the same categories that they can be found in the grocery store. To view the items on any list, click the item in question from your grocery list. For example, let's say I wanted to understand where 4 cups of arugula is being used in my client's meal plan. I can click on arugula and see that there are 2 cups being used on both Wednesday and Friday in the recipe titled Eggs with Arugula and Plantains. To view the recipe or to edit it in the planner, click on the recipe title. This will bring you to the planner. Here you can see an overview of the recipe's nutrition breakdown, the days of the week that it appears, and how many servings. From here, you can choose to make any changes needed. For example, if your client doesn't like arugula, you can remove the recipe and add another recipe in place of it. Or you can use the swap feature to find another recipe of a similar meal type and macronutrient profile. List Insights allows you to keep your client's meal plan affordable by seeing what ingredients have been added to a few main meals and then continuing to meal plan based on those items. For example, in this meal plan, I still need to plan out snacks. To keep the ingredients list low, I can first head to the list and see what ingredients are already a part of my client's meal plan. I can see my client is already shopping for cucumber, so I can head over to the Recipes tab and filter for snack recipes that contain no more than 3 ingredients, with one of those ingredients being cucumber. From there, I can add any of these recipes to my client's empty snack slots. You can add any recipe by clicking on the icon with the 3 dots and selecting Add to Plan. Select the meal time, adjust the number of servings if needed, and the days you would like to add it to. Then select Add Recipe. You can also add any recipe from inside the recipe card. Simply click on the photo and adjust the number of servings if needed. Select Add and choose the meal and the days of the week you would like to add it to. Then select Add Recipe. Now you can see that you have rounded out your client's meal plan without significantly increasing the items on their grocery list. And that's how easy it is to use insights from lists.